today's video I'm going to be unboxing my August latest in beauty box, so yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, and welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today's video, like I said, we are unboxing my August latest in beauty box. Oh, if I can get it out the overflow. I do apologise if you can see any reflection in my glasses. It is the lights on my beauty table that you can see in the reflection, so sorry about that. Right, so inside the box you can't see much, so let's just have a quick shifty around so we can have a little sneak peek at what I've chosen. So latest in beauty is £14.95 a month. And it's £3.95 postage, and I'm sure after 3 months, so from the 4th month onward, I'm sure the postage becomes free, but double check that. And I do have a discount link as well, so if you click the link down below in the information box and or the comment box, yeah, you'll get a percentage off too. So if you're gonna purchase it, definitely save some pennies doing it. You get 6 products per month, and the difference with this box is that you can actually go on their website every month and pick from a list of products that they have. But yeah, this is what I have chosen. Interesting. Let's get digging through here to see exactly what I've got. Before we do that though, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So the first product I'm going to show you that I chose is this. So this is by the brand Goldwell Dual Sensors, and this is Bond Pro. It's repair and structure spray. It's really hard to see the writing on it. It's nearly the same colour as the bottle, but so this is a leave-in spray for weak and fragile hair, blended with Micro Protect Complex and inter-amino bond builder. Instantly provides long-lasting cuticle protection and resilience against day-to-day stressors. It smooths the surface and preps the hair for styling. Provides heat protection, shake well, spray on towel dried hair, and yeah, leave in style. So yeah, really good brand for hair. I haven't tried anything by this brand, to be honest, or not that I can remember, and I definitely haven't tried this before, so I thought, oh, let's give it a go, try it in my hair. I'm always looking for a nice treat for my hair, and yeah, again, full-size product, 150 mils. It's gonna last a little while. The second product in the box I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand, I always struggle to say this, Sacha Joanne, I think. And this is Hair After the Sun hair treatment. It's 100 mils you get in here. It says a specialised highly conditioning treatment that replenishes moisture and shine to sun exposed hair. Apply to clean wet hair, rinse thoroughly, or leave in for deeper conditioning. So certainly sounds interesting. Again, I love trying all different kinds of products on my hair. Yeah, my hair needs all the help that it can get. So have you tried this before? The third product I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Freeze Frame, and it's Revitalize Eyes. It's an eye solution for deep wrinkles, chronic puffiness and serious dark circles. It is a full size. It's 15 mils that you get in here, with tripeptide and vitamin C for powerful eye repair, which is what I need because wrinkles are out in force under my eyes. I tell you, too many there. I need to try and get rid of some of them. It says here that the powerful gel-like balm instantly erases signs of aging, stress and fatigue to produce smoother, brighter upper and lower eyelids. At the same time, it moisturizes and energizes the tissues, increasing microcirculation and performing a deep, long-lasting anti-wrinkle, anti-bag, anti-dark circle action. If this can work instantly, I will be very surprised. So this is what it looks like. Very nice packaging indeed. I'm going to leave this sealed until it's time to actually use it, because I really do want it to work there. But yes, it's in a tube, but then there is the pump action thing on it as well, which is great. Product number 4 is this. This is by Revolution Skincare and it's called Blemish. 1% IPC skin treatment. Powerful breakout ingredient, clears and calms the skin, which sounds absolutely amazing. There's 15 mils in here. I have been having a breakout for a couple of weeks in a row now. My skin has been in shite state. I've got, like, you can see little scars there. I've got a breakout here, all on my chin, here. It's just awful. My skin is awful. So hopefully if this can help in any way, that would be amazing. Really will be amazing. So this is what it looks like. Is that sealed? It's not sealed. Let's just have a little play. So there it is there. Okay, I thought it was going to be thicker for some strange reason. Yeah, you can see that there. I think it is scentless because I can't smell anything there. I mean, it feels nice and hydrating on the skin. Hopefully it'll actually work. Fingers crossed, because I'm sick of having uninvited visitors pop up on my face. So the 5th product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Vita Skin, and this is Vitamin A Resurfacing Mask. 100% natural, 100% vegan. It just says this rejuvenating face mask is packed with retinoid and carrot seed oil, containing high levels of vitamin A and vitamin E to help promote softer, smoother, visibly younger looking skin. Yes, please. And you apply to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. For best results, combine with a full Vita Skin vitamin A range. Nope, it's just going to be by itself. Yeah, I'll have to do a little video on that and see what it feels like on the skin. It's in a nice little glass jar there. Very, very nice looking. Again, I'm going to leave that sealed until it is time to use it. But I do like the look of it and it sounds great. The 6th and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Laura Mercier, and it is the translucent loose setting powder. I honestly thought it was going to be a bit bigger. That is tiny. I should have expected it, to be honest with you. But yeah, and I thought, oh, I saw it, and I thought, I tried this ages ago and I really liked it, so I thought, oh, bugger it, I'm gonna get this and have it again. Why not? I'm gonna keep this for if I have any nights out or go anywhere nice. I can put my Bosch powder on. But yeah, it's so finely milled, it doesn't cake, it's beautiful, especially under the eyes. Yeah, love this. Hi guys, so this is my August latest in beauty box. What do you think of my choices this month? Personally, I think I really like my box, to be honest. I've kind of covered all bases really. So I've got 2 treats for the hair. I've got the after sun treatment, which can be left in the hair for extra conditioning purposes, or you can rinse it out straight away. We have the Bond Pro, which is repair and structure spray. It sounds really, really nice. We have a little makeup product in here by a fabulous brand, may I add. We have something for the wrinkles, which I have lots of. Well, actually that's for wrinkles as well, isn't it? A resurfacing mask. And we have something for little invited friends that pop up on with faces, which is awesome. I suppose you could use that on blemishes all over your body. But yeah, I got it for my face. That's where I'm struggling at the minute. And anyway, but yeah, I am very, very happy. My box that I chose myself gets a thumbs up. I can't wait for next month to see what choices I have to pick from. But yeah, again, if you are interested, I'll link it down below. There's a money off thing there too, so you can save a bit of mullah. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.